Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add gradients, backgrounds to buttons inside forms, surveys, as well as quizzes. So instead of relying only on a single solid color, you can apply gradient styles directly from the button settings. This gives you much more design flexibility without needing to use custom CSS. Let me show you how that looks like. So let's first navigate to sites on the left and select forms, surveys, or quizzes at the top. We're going to select this form right here. Then we're going to scroll down, find the button. You see this is a solid color right now. So click on the button, click on settings, scroll all the way down until you see colors and background. And here you have the toggle gradient. So let's turn this on, and tada, you can already see the color changing right here. So here we can change the type from linear to radial, for example, or from radial to angular. Let's stick with linear for now. And right here, you can adjust how much of each color you want to show on the button. Right here, you can see there's 2 colors available. We can add more colors also if you wanted to. Okay, here you can change the color. You can add your hex code if you have it, or you can just slide up and down until you find the color of your choice. And here you can also change the start color. Right now, I think the start color should be different, maybe a bit of turquoise. Nice, that looks really cool. And then scrolling further down, you can here dictate the angle with this slider. So you can see the colors changing like that. The text font white fits right now. If you don't like it, you can change it right here, as well as the subtext font color. We don't have a subtext right now, so we just leave that blank. In case you change your mind and you want to go back to a solid color after you've adjusted the gradient color, you can of course just do that. Again, remember, you can adjust those buttons within forms, surveys, as well as quizzes. And if you're looking to sign up or upgrade your existing GohighLevel account, make sure to check out all of our bonuses that are linked in the description below, such as white label videos, support snapshots, review snapshots, whole agency snapshots, marketing snapshots, and much more. And the best thing is you'll also get free videos of all the updates HighLevel releases frequently.